Hello friends, welcome to MaxSearch. Now we are going to see the latest job notification which was released by Mumbai Metro Operations Corporation Limited. They are looking for the candidates to the post of Station Master, Chief Traffic Controller, Senior Section Engineer and more. The vacancy details of Station Master is 6, Chief Traffic Controller having 4 vacancies, Senior Section Manager Engineer having 25 vacancies, Section Engineer 113 vacancies, Senior Section Engineer Civil 4 vacancies, Section Engineer Civil 8 vacancies, Senior Section Engineer Electrical and Mechanical 2 vacancies, Section Engineer Electrical and Mechanical 5 vacancies, Senior Section Engineer S&T 18 vacancies, Section Engineer S&T 29 vacancies, Supervisor Customer Relation 1 vacancies, totally 215 vacancies. Let's see the pay scale, educational qualification, experience and maximum age limit for the each post. Station Master, the pay scale should be 9,300 to 34,800 rupees per month. The educational qualifications are degree or diploma in electrical, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical, electrical and electronics and communication, applied electronics and instrumentation, applied electronics and communication, industrial electronics, power electronics, instrumentation and control electrical, instrumentation engineering. The candidate should have minimum 3 years experience in railway or metro railway. Maximum age limit is 41 years as on March 1, 2020. For Chief Traffic Controller, the pay scale is 9,300 rupees to 34,800 rupees. The educational qualification is also same. Experience 2 years experiences traffic OCC or depot controller in railway or metro railway. Maximum age is also 41 years as on March 1, 2020. Senior Section Engineer, for Senior Section Engineer the pay scale is 9,300 to 34,800, GP 4,800, corresponding 7th pay commission. Pay scale for grade 17 is 47,600 to 1,51,100 rupees. Education qualification: degree or diploma in electrical, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical, electrical and electronics and communication, applied electronics, instrumentation and control, electrical and instrumentation engineering. Minimum experience 4 years for degree and 6 years for diploma in railway, metro rail in maintenance for testing and commissioning of rolling stock. Maximum age limit is 46 years as on March 1, 2020. Section Engineer, pay scale is also same. Educational qualification also same. Minimum experience is 2 years for degree and 4 years for diploma in railway or metro rail in maintenance, testing and commissioning of rolling stock. Maximum age limit is 43 years as on March 1, 2020. Senior Section Engineer Civil, Educational qualification is degree or diploma in civil engineering from a government recognized university or institute. Minimum experience 4 years for degree and 6 years for diploma in railway, metro rail track, bridges, buildings. The experience of working for with major companies undertaking construction, maintenance of track, bridges and etc. Maximum age limit is 46 years. Section engineer civil, pay scale is also same. Educational qualification degree or diploma in civil engineering. Minimum experience 2 years for degree and 4 years for diploma. Maximum age limit is 43 years. Then senior section engineer S&T, pay scale should be same. Educational qualification also same for senior section engineer. Minimum experience 4 years for degree and 6 years for diploma in rail or metro rail maintenance, installation, testing and commissioning of signaling, telecommunication and AFC systems. Maximum age limit is 46 years. Section engineer S&T, pay scale is also same. Educational qualification is also same. In power and electronics, instrumentation or control engineering can apply. Minimum experience 2 years for degree and 4 years for diploma. Maximum age limit is 43 years. Senior section engineer electrical and mechanical. Minimum experience is 4 years for degree and 6 years for diploma in maintenance of lifts, escalators, LT power supply systems, HVAC system, heat ventilated air conditioning, fire reduction and suppression system in railways, metro railways, monorail, airports. Maximum age limit is 46 years. Section engineer electrical and mechanical. The educational qualification are degree or diploma in electrical, electronics and telecommunication, mechanical, electrical and electronics and communication, applied electronics, industrial electronics, power electronics, instrumentation and control, electrical and instrumentation engineering. Minimum 2 years for degree and 4 years for diploma in maintenance of lifts, escalators, LT power supply systems. Last one is supervisor customer relation. The education qualification is bachelor degree in any discipline. Minimum 2 years experience in railway or metro railway or airport is required. Maximum age limit is 40 years as on March 1, 2020. These are all the general instructions. The candidates will be selected on interview mode only. In description I provided their official website link to view this notification detailedly. These are the application forms. No objection certificate. If you are working in any government company, you have to submit the no objection certificate.